Today in the grain market, soybeans were firm with more Chinese buying deliverable for the new crop. Commitment of traders do show that money managers hold a net long position in all the soybean products. So the soybeans themselves, the soybean oil, and soybean meal futures. November was up 8.75 cents. We got up to 11.85, and even the January got up to that $12 mark. Even for November, the $12 is the objective, but we're still about 15 cents away from that right now. The market did back off once it hit its highs a little bit. November did add 1,700 to the call options, bringing the net total to 214,000 open interest. So that's been about the highest it's been for the entire contract. CVOL for soybeans is at 16.6%, with the soybean oil at 24.4% and the meal at 18.5%. Corn today was steady with that extreme heat in the Corn Belt, and it's up into the triple digits, over 100 degrees. Much of the crop is made, though, so the expectation that the futures will really spike higher is going to be a heavy lift. A commitment of traders did add to the longs, but perhaps the ending stocks will decline when the report comes in on Wednesday, but we'll see for that. December hit a 5.75 cent range, ending exactly unchanged at $4.62, with September just a little lower than unchanged at $4.3825. Now, with the option open interest there, we added 5,000 to the call side, bringing it to a grand total of 574,000 open interest. That's a pretty big number. Bigger than what we've had over the past number of years, just for the calls alone. Now, the puts, we added 1,600, and the total put option open interest there is at 326,000. Now, CVOL for the corn is at 23.9%. The wheat today was a little bit higher on that Russia-Ukraine war ramping up, creating more uncertainty about exports and shipping. Futures do remain, though, in the same sideways channel for over a week, so I think there's a little bit of hand-wringing back and forth on which way we should go here. September was up 16.75 cents to 656.5, with December getting up to 674.5, before kind of selling off in a big way, of getting down to 642. So today we did add 2,600 to the September option open interest. Only 131,000 open interest for wheat, but that's pretty high as of late. CVOL is at 36% for that wheat contract. So traders are now expected to adjust their positions as we get closer to that Wednesday USDA report.